You know I can read your mind. What is it? Why do we watch these ghost shows? There ain't no such thing as spooks.
John, quit eating my popcorn and listen.
What?
We need to have a talk.
Take a walk? It's too late for that.
I said talk, not walk.
What?
You can't hear a damn thing.
What? Okay, I get the message.
John,
Yes, my sweetie pie.
we need to talk about the elephant.
What is there to discuss?
He is trashing our house.
But he is so cute. Well, you don't have to take the cat to the vet anymore.